This is Radharani, continuing verse 176. Only in Sri Vrindavan, which puts to shame even Sri Vaikuntha, what to speak of any other place. Here in Vrindavan, Madhupati Sri Krishna knows Radha's sweetness, and Radha knows his sweetness. Sri Vrindavan, which is saturated with the tastiest nectar, Paramarasa Sudha Madhuri, gives all the relishable sweetness of Radha Madhupati to Radha's kinkaris, the maidservants of Srimati Radharani. Basically, we finished the verse yesterday by just saying that to appreciate the degree that what's told in the Tika here by Srila Anantadas, we can appreciate the sweetness of Radha and Krishna according to our own sweetness. They say it takes one to know one. So here in Vrindavan, this verse, Prabhupada Saraswati, is saying that Krishna is Madhupati. He's the Lord of sweetness. He's made of sweetness. And Radharani is Madhuri Radha. She is also sweet, the sweetness of her love. And then the Tika says that if our heart is sweetened with love itself, Krishna Prema, then we can appreciate the sweetness of Krishna. But if our heart is sweetened by the rasa or rati of dasya, servitude, or friendship, or parental love, like Yashoda, or Sridham Subal, or Raktak Patrak, then we can appreciate the sweetness of Radha and Krishna to some extent.